To turn on notifications in Perplexity AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Notification, and here on the right hand side, you can see this button. Simply tap on this button to enable it, and here on the bottom, tap on Allow. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the notification is turned on. Now if you go back, it's all set. So every notification will pop up in your mobile device, and any updates or regarding all the queries you have, Perplexity AI will provide you all the notifications on time, and you can directly watch it through your mobile phone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.